This is the JBL PartyBox Wireless Microphone. It comes with dual wireless microphone and a single wireless receiver, and the two wireless microphone connects easily to this wireless receiver. Let me show you how. It's as simple as turning on the microphone. When you see the light blinking, it means that the microphone is looking for the receiver. Turn on the receiver, and as soon as you turn on the receiver, in a matter of seconds, the microphone and the receiver are now connected when the light turns solid. And here's another demonstration where both microphones are connecting to the receiver at the same time. And the distance between the receiver and the microphone can be as far as 30 meters or 100 feet. This wireless microphone has built-in rechargeable batteries that can be charged using a USB cable. And a full charge can last for 20 hours of use. A 10-minute charge will allow you to use it for a couple of hours. And the receiver as well can be charged using a USB port that can last for 12 hours of use. A red light indicator on the microphone means that the microphone is on charging mode. Once the microphone is fully charged, that red light will turn off. And it goes the same way with the receiver. A red light means charging, and when it turns off, it means that the receiver is fully charged. The 3/4 jack of the wireless receiver only supports mono connection, so make sure you don't plug it into a source that only supports stereo connection. I would say that the construction of this microphone is of a high quality. The head mesh of this microphone is made of metal, but the construction of this microphone is mostly plastic, but not cheap plastic. Just by holding it will tell you that this microphone is well made. The shape of this microphone is ergonomically designed that is very comfortable to the handle, and I get lots of compliments from my friends about its quality. They also place these rubber stoppers on both sides of the microphone to keep the microphone from rolling off the table and to keep it from accidental drops. Now let me show you a quick unboxing of this microphone, and then I'm gonna tell you the real reason why I bought this. To take advantage of the manufacturer's warranty, just scan the QR code from one of the manuals and register your product. And now for the main reason why I bought this microphone. And for a Filipino like me, most of you would know why I bought this microphone. Of course, it's for karaoke.
And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. So guys, this is really great for karaoke. And if you haven't noticed yet, I've been using this microphone to create the voiceover for this review. So guys, this is the JBL PartyBox Wireless Microphone. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.